I believe in myself as disability does not mean inability. That is what Musa says. A young man with keratoconus, an eye disease that affects the cornea, who resides in Kunkujang with his family. Today we'll be talking to Musa to know more about him, his success and challenges.
I am Musa Banja, a young talented Gambian motivational speaker. I live in Kunkujang, Dar es Salaam. I'm a student, yeah. I graduated this year, but still I'm a student. My first school was Kunkujang Primary School. That was in 2007. And later I attended Kunkujang Law Basic School. I further go to Govi Resource Center, Govi School for the Blinds. I spent 2 years there, and I go to Banjulindin. That's where I completed my secondary education. Yes.
Musa does not only believe in academic but also giving back despite his eye disease. While in school, Musa served as the assistant head boy of his school from 2020 to 2021.
Keratoconus is a disease that always make your vision very low. Like it affects the cornea, and it's the cornea that is controlling your vision. And cornea is responsible of taking care of the 90% of the vision. So meaning I'm almost lost in that. But from my schooling career, I explained that I went for Govi, and my reason of going there was I trained their braille machine. That's the machine the blinds use when writing. So that's what I was using, and I was writing. I was able to use to write. But before using that braille, I was managing with it. Yeah, I used to check the paper closer to my eye so that I would be able to see it. So that's the way I was managing, because I see even blinds are learning. Very difficult. Sometimes I will have one-to-one exam with the teachers before using the braille. So the time I was having the braille machine, I was able to do it inside the class. Sometimes though the braille will be very destructive, so I will go to a private class where I will sit alone, and the teacher will come and give me exactly the question fair to the other students. So I will be able to do it. Because when you see, sometimes my performance used to be very low, because it is very hard when studying. When studying, it used to be very hard. Maybe the people without these eye diseases will be able to read maybe for some hours, but for me, less than an hour after my eye will start bringing tears. So that will be the time I will stop using, I will stop studying, so I will just manage when exam comes. It is very hard though. It is very hard, you know, just like I tell you, we all have goals, we all have dreams, so one of the things I love doing the most when it comes to sportsmanship, it is football. So I will see my friends going to play football, though I will go with them, but when it's becoming dark, you know, night time, I will not see anything. I will just go off, so they will be playing. So at night also, sometimes I will not go out, they will be going out, partying and other things. I will be at home. You know, those are very hard. They give me headache. So it's a big challenge for me. Sure. It is not total blindness. Yeah, it is just a low vision. I lost a lot of vision, but I just manage. Sometimes I do play with smartness, yeah, but not vision. So currently, we almost went to all these hospitals in the Gambia here. We went to a lot of hospitals here. We spent a lot of money here. But what we have as result, they say keratoconus currently have no cure. But not long ago, I was making a research about it, because I always care about my eye. So I was making some research about it. At the time, I went to Google and I searched, did keratoconus have any cure? They say there are some, doctors that come from these angelus countries, like these American countries, that says, they will stand and make sure all keratoconus patients will be able to manage. Their vision will be able to manage, so they will be able to see. And when it comes to lens also, in the Gambia here, currently we have no lens for keratoconus. Yeah. We have, it is this keratoconus patient, there are not many here. Yeah. For mine, I can say, for me, I only know myself. Sure. I only know myself, yeah, that is having keratoconus, and others also are there having different eye problems with me, but I will advise them, let this not make us not go to school. Education doesn't mean if you are blind you are not going. We see the dumb and the deaf, even the blinds, they are going to school. So you say because you're having low vision does not mean you don't have to go to school. So it will be very, very important if we go to school, we learn, we'll be able to help ourselves. So it's left to all our determination. If you believe in yourself, you'll be able to do it. I was with blinds, I see how they learn. So there's no excuse to say I cannot learn because of this vision. So it will be very helpful for us. I really need help. I really need help, yeah. Academically, right now, I'm even affected because my results were poor. Just like I tell you before, maybe the reading will be the problem, but currently I'm going in for private help. But also, if I have any help right now that will help me to go anywhere that I can have cure for my eye, I will be very glad because, yeah, I don't also want to have children with this eye. It is God who always gives it to us. But also, I'm taking it with good faith because I'm managing to do a lot of things with it. Yeah. There are other people with eye effects. They are not even having vision problem, but they were not able to learn. So with my vision, I'm still managing. Yeah. Yeah. The materials I need the most currently here, I have tape recorder with me. Yeah. Tape recorder, I have tape recorder, and I will also need more tape recorder in case when the teachers explain rather, I will be recording the teacher, and when I go home, when I'm reading, if my eyes start disturbing, I will be able to listen. Yeah, whatever the teacher was explaining, I will be able to listen, so that I can also compete with the people that are having vision problem. Yeah, but the help I need the most is to go and have a cure for my eye. I really need it. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, and other verbs. Adverbs, unlike adjectives, do not modify nouns or pronouns. Adverbs can also modify phrases, clauses, and sentences. Adverbs answers one of the following questions: when, where, why, under what condition, to what extent, etc. Example are:
Musa said the challenges are too much for him. He will never lose hope and will continue learning. No matter what your condition is or how bad it is, believing in oneself can be of help. As we all see how Musa managed to fight his battles, never take this ability to be an excuse for not trying. Thank you so much, viewers. This is what we have for you on your program, Impactful Stories with afrikidstv. Please do not forget to watch, subscribe, share, and comment on our videos. Click the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we upload a new video on our channel. Thank you for watching. I am Kaniseka. See you next week.
Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you.